Did you know Bernie Madoff ran his $65 billion Ponzi scheme from a fake trading floor with actors pretending to work? For decades, Madoff wasn't just stealing from strangers. He was robbing his closest friends, country club members who trusted him with their life savings, even his own sister. The operation was sophisticated, a computer system that generated fake trading statements, employees who thought they were doing real work on the 17th floor, all while the real fraud happened 2 floors below. Madoff recruited victims from exclusive clubs, used his reputation to bring in more money. The more he stole, the more respected he became. But the human cost was devastating. His son Mark couldn't live with the shame. He took his own life on the 2nd anniversary of his father's arrest. Investors lost everything. Charities shut down overnight. The Madoff family became outcasts. When the market crashed in 2008, the scheme collapsed. Madoff confessed to his sons. They turned him in. One phone call destroyed one of Wall Street's most trusted names forever.